What if I told you that one of the most powerful soil-fixing plants might already be growing in your yard, and you've probably been pulling it out? That's right. There's a humble, overlooked weed quietly doing the heavy lifting, healing your soil, feeding your garden, and attracting beneficial life underground. And today we're going to talk about that incredible plant, plantain. Nope, not the banana. I'm talking about broadleaf and narrowleaf plantain. Common wild plants you've likely seen on roadsides, lawns, or garden edges. Let's explore why this weed is a soil superhero, and honestly, why you should think twice before pulling it up. Plantain has a strong taproot system that breaks through compacted, dry, or poor quality soil. This is huge because compacted soil limits root growth, oxygen flow, and water movement. When plantain grows, its roots act like nature's tiller, punching through hard soil and creating pathways for air, water, and nutrients to penetrate. And when the plant dies back, that root decomposes and leaves behind a little tunnel, perfect for water retention and new root systems. Plantain is what gardeners call a dynamic accumulator. Its deep roots pull up minerals from deeper layers of the soil, like calcium, magnesium, and sulfur, and concentrate them in its leaves. When the plant dies back, those minerals are returned to the topsoil, enriching it naturally. It's like composting without lifting a shovel. You can even chop and drop the leaves as a mulch layer around your herbs or vegetables. It decomposes quickly and feeds your plants. Attracts soil life. Healthy soil isn't just about nutrients, it's about life. Earthworms, microbes, and fungi thrive in areas with plantain because it creates a stable, moist, nutrient-rich microclimate. Its broad leaves shade the soil, keeping it cool and moist, exactly what soil organisms need. Worms are particularly attracted to decomposing plantain, and where worms go, fertility follows. Why you shouldn't pull it. You know, many gardeners treat plantain like a weed because it just pops up uninvited. But here's the thing, it's not really a sign of failure. Actually, it's a signal. Plantain shows up in disturbed or poor soil, and its presence basically means nature is trying to fix something. Instead of pulling it, just take a moment to observe where it grows. It might be showing you a spot that needs loosening, feeding, or, well, just a bit of extra care. By leaving plantain in garden edges or using it as living mulch, you're working with nature instead of fighting it. How to use it in the garden. Let it grow in neglected spots to improve the soil. You can use chopped plantain leaves as mulch or compost material, which is actually a fantastic way to enrich your soil naturally. You know, you can also harvest plantain for herbal remedies. It's great for stings, scrapes, and even inflammation. And if you want to give your garden a real boost, try combining plantain with other dynamic accumulators like comfrey and dandelion for a natural fertility boost. So next time you see plantain, stop and, take a closer look. It might not be glamorous, but honestly, it's one of the most powerful natural soil healers around. It's quietly doing the work. No chemicals, no fertilizers, just nature restoring balance. Leave it alone, use it wisely, and watch your soil come alive. Found this helpful? Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more herbal garden wisdom, and share this with someone who's about to pull the plant that's actually saving their soil. Stay rooted, stay wild, and stay well. Yeah, that's right.